going to show you how to change the bands or straps on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Okay, so first thing is we're going to go ahead and put this on. So it's easier if you just turn it upside down. Then you have this little metal thing in here. What you want to do is press that. It's kind of hard. You may have to kind of wedge your fingernail in there. So first thing is what we want to do is put the needle on one side here, and then you can see now this part is going to go right on top. So we got to press that needle in. Okay, so again, first thing is we're going to go ahead and hook that first needle on this one here on the bottom, right here, and then put this one on top. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and press this with my fingernail. It takes a little practice though, okay, especially if you don't have fingernails like me. So let me try to press that button. Okay, there we go. It's kind of hard. Okay, and then squeeze it in there. All right, and the same thing with this one here. Actually, I'm not going to be able to use this finger. I got to do it this way. So upside down again, the metal. I'm going to put that one side in first, just like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and press that metal button. Try to get my fingernail on there. Oh, I still didn't get it. Got to keep working it. Okay, there we go. Now I got it in. You can see right there. And if you take it out, it's the same thing. Just go in reverse, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press the button in, and I'm going to press down and then up. I'm going to flip this side up. See how I did that? It was up like this. Same thing with this one here. Let's see if I can do it with this hand. Oh, no, I can't do it. Got to use this here with the nail in there. In and then out. Pretty simple.